To set auto click and corner action delay time to long delay or 800 milliseconds in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Scroll down the screen. By default, the delay time for auto click and corner action is set to short delay or 600 milliseconds. To set it to 800 milliseconds, slide the adjustment bar under the delay time before action to the right until it shows long delay or 800 milliseconds. By choosing this setting, now auto click and corner action will happen after your mouse pointer stop moving for 800 milliseconds. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.